This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start the fingerprint setup right away. First, make sure battery is above 30% and the tablet's software is updated. This prevents interruptions. Once done, remove any screen protector or case that might cover the sensor so readings are accurate. Now open Settings, tap Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints. You may be asked to confirm your PIN, pattern, or password. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompt. Lift and rest your finger as instructed to begin the scan. Continue by capturing full fingerprint data. Place your finger on the sensor, lift slightly, and reposition to capture edges and center. You'll repeat this motion many times so the system records multiple contact points. Use gentle, consistent pressure rather than hard presses. Make sure to register different angles of the same finger and then register it a second time for redundancy. When the progress reaches 100%, name the fingerprint so you can recognize it later, and enable options such as screen unlock and secure folder access. Finish by testing the fingerprint unlock several times with the same finger and while holding the tablet normally. This validates real-world performance. If readings are inconsistent, clean the sensor with a dry microfiber cloth, wipe your finger, and re-register the print. Oils, moisture, or debris cause failures. If problems persist, register an alternate finger to improve access. As a last resort, remove all fingerprints and repeat enrollment or perform a system update. These steps resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.